Right, in this video we're going to take a look at SAS Libraries. So in the Explorer pane, in the Explorer window, we have these 6 libraries that auto-generate when you first install SAS on Linux. In Windows there's only 4 of these, but that's not important right now. The one that my mouse is hovering on right here is the work library. And this is a very important library because it's the default library, so to speak, in SAS. If you don't specify a library when saving data sets or other things, it'll automatically put it in the work library. The problem with the work library is that it's temporary. In other words, anything that's in the work library, when you close down SAS, will no longer be there. So we're going to go ahead and see how easy it is to create a new library using the point and click approach. So I left click in the Explorer pane and simply click on New. This window appears. First of all, I have to give a name to my library, MAT008. There's certain nomenclatures that must be obeyed when naming a library, and they're easy to find online. Then I get the option to simply say where the data for this library will be stored on my computer. So I'll browse to where I want this to be put. So I've got a folder here called SAS Libraries, and that's where I want my SAS library to be. And press OK. And now this is an important part here. I'm going to click that I want to enable at startup. This is simply so that the library will always be available when I click in. It doesn't mean the library will be, when I start SAS, it doesn't mean the library will be erased if I don't. It's just that I have to point SAS towards it every time. So I'm going to use this library a lot as I make more of these videos, and so I want this library to always be available to me. So I click there, enable it started. Click OK, and now we do see MAT008. If I double click on that library, it's of course empty right now, but we'll get to that in the next video.